Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika and today we're gonna be checking out the Sailor Shikiori dual brush pens. So the name of these brush pens are based on the four seasons of Japan, just as the colors. They are different from your typical color palette. The body of the pen is super soft, easy to hold, and in my opinion is very pretty and different from the black ones that we always have. The nib is very resistant. It has a very nice bounciness to it. It doesn't seem like a nib that is gonna fray easily at all, but it pretty much does like more than half of the job for you because it has a great control of the nib. It also comes with a twin tip, let's call it somewhat, that is better for detailing work and stuff like that. So I had, as I mentioned earlier, the color palette of this set is based on the four season colors in Japan, or at least the colors they associate to the four seasons in Japan. It's very mature palette, to be honest. I find like I have unique colors in this set that I wouldn't have in any regular other palette. Here you can see the knit rebound, which is really nice. It's very easy to control. The pen is just, it's like it absorbs your shakiness for you and it translates into very clean, crisp lines. Also, it is very easy to make the thin upstrokes, and we know that making thin upstrokes is a hassle, especially when you're learning, but these ones will not give you a hard time doing that. As you can tell there, that's the thinnest you can get with this type of nib. For blendability, yes, you can blend them as watercolors. Actually, all of the colors in these pens are based on their watercolor inks that they sell in bottles, so you can mix and match. If you have the bottles, you're gonna find probably one of the bottles and one of the pens to be exactly the same thing. And here I'm showing you the swatches. So this is the part where I wanted to get, because this is where you see this is not your typical primary complementary color palette that comes in almost every single set, like yellow, black, blue, red. No, these colors are very mature, like very muted, very vintagey, very serious colors, you know. So this is the only palette I have that offers me shades like this. But let's be clear about something, these pens are pricey. My set cost me like almost 2 years ago $45 on Etsy, but I found it like as I was making this video on $56. And also it comes with a set that only has 5 colors that was like $17 or $18, so it is pricey. I got them at a time where I could splurge on it, but if you're on a budget, I just wouldn't tell you to go get these ones. This is for people who can actually they are not budget tight as I am now. So if you can afford them, then you should not regret them, because quality wise they are worth the money. To be honest with you, I don't regret buying these pens. They are amazing. The nib is awesome, even better than the Tombows in my opinion. It's just such a pleasure to put pressure on these nibs. So I think that's why the price range. Shikiori is a very popular, you know, watercolor making company, whatever, for a long time. But that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you about them. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. See you on the next one. Bye.